instructions. Blade installation. In M2 motor, the clockwise rotating blades are installed, and then the black caps are screwed on the blades at a clockwise direction. In M1 free motor, the counterclockwise rotating blades are installed, and then the red caps are screwed on the blades at a clockwise direction. Legs installation. Optical flow module installation. Tighten the optical flow module. Pay attention to the direction of the light flow module and plug the optical flow module into the corresponding interface. Cradle installation. Assemble the cloud platform. Install the camera into the cloud frame. Install the camera and the shock absorber and tighten the screws. Then install the whole cloud platform to the drone again. Installation of mobile phone holder. Assemble the mobile phone bracket and install it on the remote control. Instruction of installing the app for mobile phone. Download the software, then install it. Connect the drone Wi-Fi. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi connection in the phone. Settings. Open the software. Click the left open key and enter the play interface. The factory setting of the product is defaulted to American hand swing. Lock and unlock the aircraft. The left and right analog sticks are set at a display direction on both sides for 3 seconds and unlock the vehicle. The blades rotate. The left analog stick is pulled down and not loosened, and the aircraft is locked. Emergency stop. Handle all toward the lower left corner. Blade stop running immediately. Calibration of geomagnetism. The aircraft is placed on the ground and switch SW2. Switch back and forth 4 times at the position 1 and 2. Pick up the aircraft at a horizontal direction and rotate it 6 circles at the clockwise direction. After calibration, the white lights of the former and later arm lights are in a flashing state, and then put the aircraft back to the ground and return to the normal work. Basic operations. The left analog stick of the remote control is pushed upwards or down, and the aircraft will rise or decline. Release the analog stick and make it naturally back. The aircraft will hover. Push the left analog stick to the left or right, and the aircraft will rotate to the left or right. The right analog stick of the remote control is pushed upwards or down, and the aircraft will fly forward or backwards. Push the right analog stick to the left or right, and the aircraft will fly to the left or right. Real-time transmission. Unmanned aerial camera Qualcomm chip was adopted, and Sony 6 class lens. Processing efficiency is high. The pixels of up to 1080p through mobile live transmission can be seen on a mobile phone by aircraft live transmission of images. If you want shoot, picture press mode key. If you want to make camera shooting, press ENT key. Shoot picture finish. Picture be saved into SD card. Fixed height mode. The mode switches are set to 1, 2 position respectively. Under the fixed height mode, push the accelerator analog stick. When the aircraft rises up to the required height, the accelerator is released and goes back to center, and the aircraft will maintain the current level. Mode of GPS fixed point and height. The left and right analog sticks are loosened, and the aircraft keeps current height and position. Optical flow localization model in the indoor environment without GPS signals. The optical flow positioning mode will be adopted. and the external optical flow sensor can distinguish different complex terrain so that the UAV can realize precise indoor positioning, hover, and steady flight. Point of interest surrounding flight. Under the GPS fixed point mode and then SW1 is switched to 2 position, and the hovering position of the aircraft will become a point of interest. Push the forth and back analog stick to control the flight surrounding radius. Push the left and right side analog sticks to control the aircraft clockwise or counterclockwise surrounding point. Automatically following mode. Under the GPS fixed point mode of the aircraft, press a button of the left side of SWC and the automatically following function is started. The aircraft automatically rotates until the camera aims at the position of the remote control, while the relative distance is kept. When the remote control moves, the aircraft moves in a relative distance. Then press the button again and the automatically following function can be cancelled. A key takeoff and landing. The mode switch is set to position 1, 2, respectively. Press continuously the button of a key land and take off for 3 times. The aircraft takes off automatically and hovers at the height of about 1.5 meters. A key to landing is in the same way. A key return. Under the GPS fixed point mode, the SW2 is turned to 3 position. When the condition of GPS is poor, the aircraft will return to the unlock position. When the condition of GPS is good, the aircraft will return to the position of return voyage instructions of the remote control. When the SW2 is dialed back to 2 position, the return instructions can be cancelled. Headless mode. Note, each time fly off must be in high control mode. Return out of control. Under the GPS fixed point mode, and as the aircraft loses a remote signal or the remote control is directly closed, the aircraft will automatically enter into the uncontrollable mode, and the aircraft will return and land to the unlock position. The protection instructions of the low voltage alarm. When the aircraft is in a state of low voltage, the aircraft will launch low voltage alarm, and the buzzer on the remote control trips drops alarm, and the lights flash on the right side. When low voltage alarm starts, there are 2 to 3 minutes of safe flight time. Then fly back to replace batteries as soon as possible. Note, when there is low voltage alarm, please pull the height of the aircraft as low as below 15 meters. When there is a yellow light, the aircraft should be reduced to less than 10 meters. Battery charging instructions. The introduction of hand switch of America and Japan first confirmed that the aircraft was turned off under the shutdown state of the remote control. The left and right analog sticks are moved simultaneously to the upper right direction. At the same time, open the remote control switch and you can see the LED flashing. This means it is into left and right switching mode, and then the right analog stick was set to the right, which is switched to the right hand mode, which is switched to the left hand mode. Finally, press the confirm button and save the selected mode.